Alright, welcome to the recap for July 11th. July 11th, 2014, Bowman Draft Asia and 2015 Bowman Asia. 2-box break, hosted by BP's Breaks through eBay. Going to do the recap now. Boxes were okay, autographs weren't bad. So we'll start out with the 2015 Bowman Asia. We had black wave refractors. Now, I'm not going to go through every black refractor. So, black waves, we had Ty Block, James Leedy, Ryan Merritt, Drew Ward, and Jacoby Jones. A couple of the notable black refractors were Greg Bird, Orlando Arcia, Ozzie Albies, Jorge Mateo, Kyle Schwarber. We also had a Kyle Schwarber paper card. No Chris Bryant, no Carlos Correa. A little upsetting, which, whatever. Inserts. Let's see. Inserts. We have Bowman Scouts Top 100. Grant Holmes, Lucas Sims, and Eddie Butler. Rookie recollection of Frank Thomas. Farm's Finest Minis, we have 4, Robert Stevenson, Christian Arroyo, J.P. Crawford, and Rafael Devers. Parallels, we had a David Dahl Ice Parallel prospect, and a Mike Trout Veteran Ice Parallel. 2 Asia Red paper parallels, Willie Adames and Victor Reyes. Silver border, we have a Buddy Borden numbered 270 out of 499, as well as we also had a blue refractor of Colin Moran numbered 143 of 150. Our autograph is a Carlos Rodon base auto for the Chicago White Sox. The number 30 overall pick in the 2014 draft. Carlos Rodon, base auto, Chicago White Sox. That was our 2015 Bowman Asia recap. 2014 Bowman Draft Asia recap. We had 2 draft night inserts of Monty Harrison and Derek Hill. 2 Future of the Franchise mini Casey Gillespie and Alex Jackson. 2 draft birds. We had a Newcomb and Grant Holmes, which is going to the Dodgers, and a Nick Howard and Alex Blandino, which is the Reds card. We also had a Gabriel Guerrero, Bowman Scouts update. Brandon Nemo, 1989 Bowman. Some notable prospect cards. We had a Corey Seager Chrome. Again, no Bryant and no Correa. We had a Rafael Devers Chrome and a Rafael Devers black paper. Trey Turner black paper. Michael Conforto black paper. And a Nomar Mazara black paper. 2 ice parallels of Chase Vallett and DJ Peterson. Refractors. Austin Dakar, Jordan Schwartz, Kyle Freeland, Reese Hoskins, TJ Antone, Matt Chapman, Lucas Giolito, and Clint Frazier. Those were the refractors. Purple Ice Parallel, numbered out of 99, Miguel Almonte, 41 out of 99, Purple Ice. Blue Refractor, Mike Poppy for the Cleveland Indians, numbered 201 out of 399, Mike Poppy, first rounder, from the University of Virginia, I believe. And our autograph was of Tyler Beede, for the San Francisco Giants. Base auto, Tyler Beede. He was the 14th overall pick. So, two of the better college pitchers from the 2014 draft were our autos. Carlos Rodon and Tyler Beede. So, thanks for joining us. Hope you had fun, breaking with us, watching the All-Star game. I will be working on sorting and shipping these over the rest of this week and early this weekend. And we'll work on getting a break up for next week, as well as getting my next blowout cards break going. So pay attention on there. My username is BenP34. Just did a 2016 Bowman Chrome 3-case break. Hit some really sick cards. Aaron Judge, prime position auto. 2 Vladimir Guerrero autos, junior autos. One of them a blue refractor. Gold Willie Calhoun auto. Some really nice stuff. So thanks again, and hope to see you next week.